How to delete Pinterest account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And here you want to click on settings, and from the account information section, which is the first section, click on account management, and here you want to click on delete your data and account, which is the last option from the account changes section. Pinterest here will tell you that closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. This means that this option is a permanent delete option, meaning that you will never ever be able to get your account back. And it also tells you that if you are ready to leave forever, they will send you an email with the final step to the email address that you used to register with this account. So click continue, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, Pinterest will give you a list of options that you can choose from as to why you want to delete your account. So go ahead and choose the option that suits you the best. For example, I'm going to choose a random one, and once you do that, click on the red button that says send email. Now the email has been sent. As you can see at the top, Pinterest tells you that an email has been sent with the final steps to delete the account. So let's go to our email and check. You might have to wait a little bit. Now once the email is here, click on it, and Pinterest here tells you that they will delete your account permanently after 14 days. So if you ever change your mind before 14 days, you can just simply log in with your email and password, and they will send you a link to reactivate the account. But if you want to just delete it, then you can click on the red button that says yes, delete account, and your account will be hidden for a while, 14 days, and after that it will be permanently deleted. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your Pinterest account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.